Here are the top 10 foods that can help you win the battle against diabetes and overweight. First on our list are whole grains. These food powerhouses are packed with fiber, which slows the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream and prevents those all too familiar blood sugar spikes. Whole grains like brown rice, oats, and quinoa are excellent choices to incorporate into your meals. They are not only beneficial for blood sugar control, but also for weight management. The fiber content in whole grains helps you feel full longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Another benefit of whole grains is their rich content of essential nutrients, including B vitamins, iron, and magnesium. These nutrients play a vital role in energy production and overall health maintenance. And let's not forget that whole grains are versatile and can be used in a myriad of recipes, from breakfast porridges to hearty stews. So, if you're looking to manage your blood sugar levels or shed some pounds, whole grains should be a staple in your diet. Remember, it's not about a quick fix, but rather making sustainable changes to your eating habits. Adding whole grains to your diet can make a big difference in managing your health. Next up, we have lean proteins. Lean proteins play a crucial role in managing both weight and blood sugar. They're like the superheroes of nutrition. When you consume foods rich in lean proteins, you feel fuller for longer periods, and that can help curb overeating and snack cravings. Now let's talk about what these lean proteins are. We're looking at foods like skinless chicken, turkey, fish, and lean cuts of meat. Vegetarian or vegan, no problem. You can get your fill of lean proteins from lentils, chickpeas, tofu, and even quinoa. But here's the kicker. These proteins are not just about keeping hunger at bay. They also help to regulate your blood sugar levels. When you eat protein, it slows down the absorption of carbohydrates in your blood, preventing sudden spikes in blood sugar. So, whether you're trying to shed a few pounds or keep your blood sugar levels steady or both, lean proteins are a vital part of your diet. Lean proteins are not just for bodybuilders. They can also help you manage diabetes and overweight. Keep this in mind the next time you're planning your meals. Third on our list are green leafy vegetables. You might have heard the phrase, eat your greens, and there's a good reason for it. Green leafy vegetables are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that can help improve blood sugar control and promote weight loss. They are low in calories and carbohydrates, making them perfect for your weight loss journey. Plus, they have a high fiber content that helps control your blood sugar levels. This means they can prevent blood sugar spikes and crashes that can leave you feeling drained and craving unhealthy foods. Examples of green leafy vegetables include spinach, kale, collard greens, Swiss chard, and broccoli. These vegetables are not only delicious, but also versatile. You can add them to your salads, stir-fry, smoothies, or even make a green juice out of them. Incorporating more green leafy vegetables into your diet can make a huge difference in your health. They can help you feel fuller for longer, improve your digestion, and provide your body with the nutrients it needs to function properly. Green leafy vegetables are a powerhouse of nutrients and can help you manage diabetes and overweight. Berries, nature's sweet treat, make it to our list. These vibrant tiny powerhouses are packed full with antioxidants, fiber, and water. Not only do they make your meals visually appealing, but they also come with a myriad of health benefits. The antioxidants in berries have been shown to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, two key factors in the development of diabetes. Berries are also low in calories and high in fiber, which means they can help you feel full and satisfied without overeating. This makes them a great choice for those looking to lose weight. The fiber in berries can also help control your blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream. From blueberries and strawberries to raspberries and blackberries, there's a variety of berries to choose from. Each type offers slightly different nutrients and benefits, so feel free to mix and match. Remember to eat them fresh and raw to get the most out of their nutritional value. Berries can be a sweet addition to your diet while helping you manage diabetes and overweight. Next up, we have nuts and seeds. Now, they may be small in size, but don't be fooled. These little powerhouses pack a hefty nutritional punch. They are rich in fiber, protein, and healthy fats, all of which help to manage your blood sugar levels and promote weight loss. For instance, almonds and walnuts are full of monounsaturated fats that can improve insulin sensitivity and lower your risk of heart disease. Chia seeds, on the other hand, are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which can reduce inflammation and stabilize blood sugar levels. Flax seeds are another great option, as they are high in fiber and can help you feel full for longer, preventing overeating and aiding in weight loss. And let's not forget pumpkin seeds, which are loaded with magnesium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in the body's use of glucose and insulin secretion. Sprinkling them on your morning oatmeal or enjoying them as a snack, nuts and seeds can add a crunchy twist to your diet while helping you manage diabetes and overweight. If you need a juice that is a powerhouse with the foods being mentioned in this video, then check out green glucose. The link is in the description of this video. If you are finding the information so far useful, you can subscribe to my channel. Our list would be incomplete without fish. Now, why is fish so important? For starters, it's packed with lean protein, which can help regulate your blood sugar levels and keep you feeling satisfied for longer. This factor alone can be a game changer in managing diabetes and shedding those extra pounds. But that's not all. Fish, especially the fatty kinds like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are teeming with omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are a boon for your heart, and they also have a positive impact on insulin resistance, making it easier for your body to use insulin effectively. Besides, fish is incredibly versatile. You can grill a piece of trout, bake some cod, or stir-fry a handful of shrimp. With so many options, incorporating fish into your diet can be an enjoyable culinary adventure. So the next time you're planning your meals, remember to include some fish. Fish can be a delicious and healthy addition to your diet that helps manage diabetes and overweight. Next on our list are avocados. Known for their creamy texture and rich flavor, avocados are more than just a delicious fruit. They are a powerhouse of nutrients beneficial for health. They are packed with monounsaturated fats, the good kind of fats that help lower bad cholesterol levels and increase the good ones. Avocados are also great for managing blood sugar levels. Thanks to their low carbohydrate and high fiber content, they have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels, making them a perfect choice for people with diabetes. What's more, avocados are great for weight management too. Despite being high in fats, they are incredibly filling. They can keep you satisfied for a longer period, reducing the urge to snack on unhealthy foods. And let's not forget about the wide variety of ways to include avocados in your diet. From salads to smoothies, from guacamole to toast, avocados can add a nutritional boost to any meal. Avocados can be a creamy and satisfying addition to your diet that helps manage diabetes and overweight. We cannot forget about olive oil. This golden liquid is not just a kitchen staple, but also an ally in your battle against diabetes and overweight. Olive oil, particularly the extra virgin variety, is packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. These fats can help improve insulin sensitivity, thus aiding in blood sugar control. But the wonders of olive oil don't just stop there. It also aids in weight management. Yes, you heard that right. Even though it's high in calories, olive oil can make you feel full longer, reducing the urge to snack and helping you consume fewer calories overall. Moreover, olive oil is rich in antioxidants that fight inflammation, a key contributor to diabetes and weight gain. And let's not forget the flavor it adds to your meals. It's an easy and delicious way to incorporate health benefits into your diet. So the next time you're preparing a meal, why not drizzle a bit of olive oil onto your salad or saute your veggies in it? Not only will it enhance the taste of your food, but it will also give you a health boost. Olive oil can add a flavorful touch to your meals while helping you manage diabetes and overweight. Last but not least, we have Greek yogurt. This creamy delight is not just a treat to your taste buds, but it also packs a punch when it comes to managing diabetes and promoting weight loss. Greek yogurt is high in protein, which helps in slowing down digestion, and prevents spikes in blood sugar. This makes it an excellent choice for individuals looking to regulate their blood sugar levels. But that's not all. Greek yogurt also contributes to weight loss. How, you ask? Well, the high protein content in Greek yogurt promotes feelings of fullness. This can help curb unnecessary snacking and overeating, thereby aiding in weight loss. Moreover, Greek yogurt contains probiotics, friendly bacteria that can improve your gut health. A healthy gut is often linked to better overall health and can potentially aid in weight management as well. So, whether you're looking for a post-workout snack, a light breakfast, or a healthy dessert, Greek yogurt is a versatile addition to your meals. Remember, opting for the plain, unsweetened version will provide the most health benefits. Greek yogurt can be a tangy and protein-packed addition to your diet that helps manage diabetes and overweight. We've covered a lot of ground today. Let's recap. We started our journey with whole grains, a source of complex carbohydrates that can help control blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full, aiding in weight management. Then we moved on to lean proteins such as chicken, turkey, and tofu, essential for muscle building and repair, whilst also keeping our blood sugar levels stable. Our next stop was green leafy vegetables, loaded with nutrients and fiber. These powerhouses are low in calories and carbs, making them a perfect addition to a balanced diet. We then took a sweet detour to berries. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, these small fruits can help fight inflammation and regulate blood sugar levels. Nuts and seeds entered the scene next, offering healthy fats, fiber, and protein. They can help manage weight and reduce the risk of heart disease. We then dove into the world of fish, rich in omega-3 fatty acids. It can help reduce inflammation and lower blood sugar levels. Avocados, with their high levels of monounsaturated fats, can help manage weight, reduce heart disease risk, and improve blood sugar levels. Next, we poured some light on olive oil, a staple of the Mediterranean diet, known for its heart-healthy fats and its role in weight management and blood sugar control. Finally, we ended our journey with Greek yogurt, a protein-packed dairy product that can aid in weight loss and help regulate blood sugar levels. Remember, gaining victory over diabetes and being overweight can be as simple as making smarter food choices. Start incorporating these 10 foods into your diet today. Don't forget, if you need a juice that is a powerhouse with the foods being mentioned in this video, then check out green glucose. The link is in the description of this video. If you are finding the information so far useful, you can subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment. If you need a juice that is a powerhouse with the foods being mentioned in this video, then check out green glucose. The link is in the description of this video.